Italy. It is a country in southern Europe. It is located in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea and it is territory largely coincidence with the homonymous geographical region. Italy is also considered part of Western Europe. Population of over 60 billion. It is the third most populous member state of the European Union, the sixth most populous country in Europe, and the third largest country in the continent by land area. Italy's capital and largest city is Rome. Italy was the native place of many civilizations such as the Italic people and the Etruscans, while due to its central geographical location in southern Europe and the Mediterranean, the country has also historically been home to myriad peoples and cultures who emigrated to the peninsula throughout history. The Latins, native of central Italy, formed the Roman kingdom in the 8th century BC, which eventually became a republic with a government of the Senate and people. The Roman Republic initially conquered and assimilated the neighbors on the Italian peninsula, eventually expanding and conquering parts of Europe, North Africa, and Asia.